I was gonna reach you. 5 little monkeys jump in the bath. 5 little monkeys eat ice cream. Lick, start, slop, drip, drop. Then 5 little monkeys see a mud puddle. Slippy, slop, goby, glop. Bee. 5 inky, sticky, yucky, mucky monkeys. Oh no, gasp, mama. Bath time for monkeys. 5 inky, sticky, yucky monkey take off their inky, sticky, yucky, mucky clothes. Uh-oh, can I clean the puddle? 5 icky, sticky, yucky, mucky monkeys jump into the tub. Splish, splatter, splash, wash and scrub. Uh-oh. 5 little monkeys are scrubbed and clean, sobbing, dripping, and sliding. And slipping. Oops. The monkeys who slept have a good cry, sobbing, crying, hugging, drying. 5 little monkeys sip soup for supper. Sip, slurp, slop, drip, drop. Thank you, Mama. Soup's delicious. Lots of hugging, sticky kisses. Mwah. Icky, sticky, yucky, monkey. Bath time for monkeys. And that is the end of the story. Ooh, those monkeys were very stinky. And I love that story because, well, the monkeys, they cannot be stinky and in the mud. Ay, ay, ay. Right, come on, little buddy. We're doing story time right now. Carman! Stop. Hi, Carman. You have me reach for you. I'm being silly. It's just I'm in a hurry. Ay, Carman. Well, that was funny. You're trying to reach for me. Why are you too far? Well, sorry, buddy. Well, that was very funny. It's just I'm trying to read a story. And I love reading a story. Wow, everybody. Well, what did we learn for the story? Well, I learned that, well, the sticky, icky, yucky, monkey monkeys were playing in the mud. And they were being yucky. Ay, eating ice cream all over their clothes. Ay, monkeys. Well, that was you two yesterday. Oh, sorry. My bad. Well, monkeys, they were learning their lessons, so Mama took them a bath. And how many monkeys were taking the bath? 5. 5 of the monkeys. They were taking a bath. And why? Cause they were stinky, yucky, goopy, sloppy, mucky monkeys. And what did Mama get them to eat for dinner? Soup. Yeah, she gave them soup, and they were stinky, yucky, mucky, icky, stinky monkeys. So they need to take a bath again? Yes, they need to. Oh, P, you stink, Carman. Hey, I only eat ice cream for breakfast and lunch and dinner. Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm stinky. Sorry, Leo. Go, Stinky. Go take a stinky bath. I'm just kidding. Go take a bath, Carman. Okay. Good night, everybody. Good night, boys and girls. Have a nice night. I'm Stinky Kitty Cat. Good night. Oh, yes, you're going to take a bath right now. Sorry, I almost fell. I was trying to get my Carman since she's always grouchy. Well, it is true. But yet, the story is very good, everybody. Because when we learn about a story, we learn how to eat safe and not hurt yourself. Not even sleeping, just like me. I almost slipped off the chair. That was funny. But remember this, boys and girls. You gotta be clean. And you cannot be sticky, yucky, mucky kids. Okay, don't be stinky kids, okay? Be clean. Good night, everybody. Good night, boys and girls.